Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable TPM on your HP V360 laptop. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to do it, and once that's done, just go to security, then go to TPM device or TPM state. I'm gonna explain both of them. So the TPM state will just enable or disable the TPM device. But if the TPM device is set as available and TPM state is set to disabled, then within the system you'll see that the TPM device exists but it's disabled. But if you set it to hidden, the TPM device will be set to hidden, then the TPM will not be displayed in the system, so the operating system will think that the TPM device doesn't exist on this laptop. I'm gonna set it back to available and to enabled. You can also clear TPM by clicking on yes. So it will just lose all the created keys associated with TPM. So I'm gonna leave it to no. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.